downtown of the Cork Island. I arrived yesterday evening from Ring of Kerry. This is post office, main post office of Cork. I posted some letter to Australia. €7.50, about 6 pages of A4 paper. You can see Bottleless Chocolate Cafe went in Galway. I'm gonna come back in the afternoon for coffee and chocolate. That's next to the post office. Sign is Unforced and Oliver Plunkett Street. Oliver Plunkett Street is like a main road for pedestrian. Very busy. This is only Tuesday lunchtime. Auntie Nellie's Gift Emporium. Looks like it says gift, but it's like a lolly shop. I can see lolly inside. On Oliver Plunkett Street, this side street is a Cook Street. Toward the direction is a river. This is Murphy Ice Cream Shop. I came from there. This is another side of Cook Street. I'm gonna continue on. I can see some shops there. Shop, actually jewelry shop, Keenness. And upstairs, nice building, looks like an apartment. Still, I'm on the Oliver Plunkett Street. Shop actually Rolex. It's raining, but not bad. This is Marlborough Street. Other side of Marlborough Street. And I'll continue on. On this street, and I can meet this big street. This is a Grand Parade. Parade for the car. There's a fountain and the big road and the bus. And I came from here. The English market here. I walk from there. And this English market is like a good, nice old building. I'm gonna have a look. Dig into the market. Upstairs is a cafe. Downstairs, lots of shops here, butchers, and some shops here. The side street, this is a chocolate shop. Another shops over there. Some cheese shop and more shops. And there, out of the market, there's an exit. There's a market. The street, the market, I went in that side. And when I came out, there is a big road here. And main road here, another main road. This main road, and I can see these bus stops. And I can see the more shops. Dunnes store. And this direction, that's the post office where I went. Green Dome is a Rocky store. This store, I can see some very steep hill road over there. The rock store here better. And very busy road, big shops. Petrol. On right hand side is a Dunnes store. Blue sky at the moment. This is a bus station, bus area. I came up this road. And this is a Dunnes store. And that's the river. I'm gonna cross there. It's a river in the middle of the Cork. This is a pedestrian footbridge. And there are more bridges over there. And this is a Dunnes store. And that's the road I came from. I can see Metropole Hotel and other buildings. Behind this dance door, there was a busy road I walked along Oliver Parnell Street. The bridge, this footbridge, there's a bus station over there, and this is a less busier side of the city. I'm gonna follow the river for a while. Actually, I walk along the river this morning. Follow this road. I can see the shops and the new bridge. Left bridge to here and to this bridge. This is a car and pedestrian. This road called St. Patrick's Quay. Cars passing. It's a very hilly street I filmed in the middle of the video. You can see the green dome, the stores I filmed before. I walk along that side of the river before I film it. That glass building is Opera House. I passed earlier. This bridge, that's the city center. Building St. Mary Dominican Church. I wasn't sure what kind of building this was. This morning, I looked from the other side of the river. It's a church. I walked along the other side of the river this morning. It's a footbridge over River Lee. I walk from there. This is a third bridge, wooden bridge. Side cafe looks interesting. People drinking coffee. And there's a River Lee. And this is a little table on the cafe. The table and chair along the river. The people. And at the building. It's colored apartment, ground floor, shops, riverfronts, nice blue skies, few drops of rain, but it's not raining. Beautiful. Walk up this fancy rail bridge. Could be my 5th bridge I came along. Concrete bridge on the side. This is made of metal. I can see some building there. Big building by the river. Got a parking sign next to it on the left hand side. Look interesting. From St. Vincent Bridge. I came up Grand Parade upper part, and that section is South Mall, and then that's the river, South Channel. It's a monument with many statues in it, erected on 1906 St. Patrick's Day in memory of people who served for the Irish independence 1916 to 23. It's a River Lee, South Channel. It's flowing fast. There's a church over there, and that's the monument I filmed just before this Grand Parade. This is a South Mall. There's another church over there. Bridge. Footbridge, South Channel. River flows very well. That's the way I came from. Follow this South Mall from the bottom, and on the left hand side river, on the right hand side I can show you, looks like a city hall. And in the left hand corner, some nice old building there. River there. Bridge called Parnell Bridge. And this intersection. River. There's a south mall I came through. This white building looks like empty, something gallery there. This corner building called Cork Saving Bank. And river the other side. I'm on the bridge. There's a city hall. River, nice colorful tents from the probably pop. The bridge, this is called Union Quay, and this is the one I filmed, the tent. And I crossed this bridge. You can see some interesting small bridge here above the river, and I walk from there. This is a city hall. Thanks for watching. Filming from the top. Entry. Some statue here. I walk from there across the bridge. That's the building I talked about before.